Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh my God. He's possessed by a demon. He's possessed by a demon. Oh God. Oh, he did the worm. Who's it? Oh, Caster. It's a dancing demon. Woo! He's got the moves. He got the moves. I know he's getting near me. Go away. Go away. Oh, he's turning again. Oh God. Legs should not be able to move that way. Oh God.
It hurts. Oh.
Of course it hurts. What is this? This has never happened before. It's poor guard. Oh wait, he's calming down. Oh, no. No, he's not done yet. He's not done yet. Oh God, he calmed down for a little bit. Now he's just worse. Like, where's he going? Yeah. Okay, now he's calming down again. Yeah, there you go. Sleep now. You can kind of sleep. You're still kind of.
You deserve this rest.
Yeah, he needs his rest. Is he dead? Woo! I don't think he's dead. Woo! He looks like he's dancing on the ground. Can you teach me this dance? This dance looks pretty cool. Oh, now he's back at me. Go away. He's trying to kick me. He might be dead, but he's not going down the hall. Fight! Oh, he's going over there now. Oh God, where's he going now? Woo! I learned this from my dancing teacher. He's dead too.
Oh, God.
He's not working.
What is this?
I don't know. He left his gun in his phone. Over there.
Oh.
Lup, lup.